Morning, how's everyone? We are here with a review of the US markets, the US dollar, Bitcoin, oil, and gold. So, what a weekend it's been. Our worst fears have come to fruition in the last 48 hours. The United States attacked Iran with all the force as it could muster, including an assault from Israel. It led to the most unfortunate demise of Ayatollah Khamenei on the first day of the offensive, which was subsequently followed up by a retaliatory response from Iran, which continues to this hour. Iran has categorically refused to negotiate with the United States and is now fighting back. And it seems that they have shot down American jets, and there has been loss of lives in the American forces as well. Also, the critical strait of Hormuz is effectively in a state of lockdown. There is no movement through that. Iranian forces have targeted the Strait of Hormuz, and that is a critical junction, a critical pathway for international oil trade, and as a result, oil trade from the Gulf into the rest of the world is being effectively blocked, especially to Europe, raising fears of inflation, and the ugly head of inflation seems to be raising its head again. There is no end in sight in this conflict, and it seems that we are in the middle of an ongoing conflict which will not end anytime soon. But despite all the doom and gloom, it seems that perhaps there's a lot of posturing from both sides as well. Iran is faced with an existential threat and is fighting for its survival. The United States is looking for regime change, and as a result of that, it seems that this conflict is becoming uglier than it was thought. Markets are reacting to this. The markets are in a downward spiral. They've all gone into a tailspin, and it seems that markets are reacting quite adversely to this. Safe haven assets such as oil and gold are going through the roof, whereas the markets, after absorbing the initial impact, seem to be stabilizing and trying to pare their losses. This is what the futures are pointing towards. However, when the markets open, I feel that there will be further losses before markets find a footing. So we should be ready for that. There will be further volatility once markets open, where while gold and oil are going to rally after the open. So we should be prepared for that. We will keep you informed, and we will keep you posted on further developments as they arise.